Jitendra Singh Tomar was forced to quit as Delhi Law Minister on moral grounds after he was arrested in the fake degree controversy. While Aam Aadmi Party claims he has been the target of a political conspiracy, the BJP is unrelenting and is now demanding his ouster from the Delhi Assembly as well.
After keeping everyone guessing through the day, Delhi Law Minister finally seeing the writing on the wall as he tendered his resignation minutes after he was sent to a 4-day police custody.
थोड़ी देर पहले जितेंद्र तोमर जी ने अपना इस्तीफा मुख्यमंत्री जी को भेजा है और मुख्यमंत्री जी ने उसे स्वीकार कर लिया है और उसको राज्यपाल महोदय को भेज देंगे.
The minister under scanner termed his resignation necessary to avoid smear campaign against his party.
आपको क्या फंसाया जा रहा है? सुनिए ना, जो मुझे फंसाया जा रहा है अभी मैं नैतिकता के आधार पर इस्तीफा दे रहा हूँ. अभी बिल्कुल इसको केस को जीत के आऊंगा. इसके बाद फिर पार्टी में काम करेंगे. कौन है साजिश की? कौन है सर? सरकार, केंद्र की सरकार, बीजेपी की सरकार और ये सब लोग हैं.
क्यों करी जा रही है आपके खिलाफ?
तो आपको सारा पता है. ठीक.
Tomar's resignation came as the AAP top brass discussed the fallout of the court order and the legal avenues ahead of them.
First step, while we were thinking it could be about moving the court because they had been consistently backing Tomar, the first step they decided to take was ask Tomar for a resignation. Now, of course, the official statement is that he himself decided to resign from the position.
उन्होंने मुख्यमंत्री को ये प्रस्ताव भेजा है, लिख के वहां से भेजा है कि मैं चाहता हूं कि मैं अपनी सत्य की लड़ाई लड़ूं और मैं नहीं चाहता कि मेरी वजह से
ये रेजिग्नेशन है या ये सैकिंग है? रेजिग्नेशन तो आप कहने के लिए कह रहे हो. फैक्ट इज ही इज बीन आस्क्ड टू स्टेप डाउन.
उनका एक रेजिग्नेशन आया और दूसरा हमारा अधिकार है कि हम बड़े कोर्ट में जाएं, हम अपनी बात के. हम आज बार बार कोर्ट की उस टिप्पणी को दोहराना चाहते हैं जिसमें कोर्ट ने कहा कि आपका ये नोटिस फार्स है.
The resignation apart, Tomar now faces possible interrogation with officials from Bihar and Uttar Pradesh who may have helped him procure the degree.
For 90 minutes, really, there were arguments inside the court. Thereafter, he was sent to police remand for at least 4 days. Now, the police investigations will really be, he will be sent to Bihar. Perhaps tomorrow, he will be confronted with all the officials of the universities and colleges to really ascertain how did he manage to get those alleged fake degrees.
With the BJP wanting his resignation from the assembly and AAP planning to approach the higher courts, Tomar's resignation is just the beginning of a long-drawn Delhi tussle. Bureau Report, Times Now.